What if every painful step wasn't a life sentence, but a problem food could quietly help solve? What if the key to rebuilding your legs and joints wasn't medicine, but meals already in your kitchen? Welcome to Senior Club, your trusted place for simple tips to stay strong, independent, and healthy every single day. Remember when stairs didn't feel like mountains, and your knees didn't ache after a short walk? Dr. Sanjay Gupta often explains, collagen is the body's glue. Without it, joints weaken, swelling rises, and strength fades. But with the right foods, you can rebuild from the inside out. Tonight, you'll discover 8 collagen-rich foods that fight swelling, protect joints, and bring back confidence in your legs. This video is educational, not medical advice. If you manage arthritis, blood pressure, or diabetes, please check with your doctor first. Your safety comes first. So let's begin by uncovering why legs and joints weaken first, and how food can become your first line of defense. Do your knees or ankles swell more in the morning, or after walking? After 60, your body makes less collagen, the natural glue that holds your joints together. With less cushion, joints grind. Stiffness builds, swelling warms the knees. Stairs that once felt light now feel like lifting weights. Even standing too long can leave your legs sore, heavy, and unwilling to move. It's not weakness, it's biology. But biology can change, and daily choices can slow, even rebuild, what time has worn down. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often explains, understanding the cause is the first step, because once you know the why, you can find the foods and habits that restore strength. Do your joints ache more when you first wake up or after a long day on your feet? Collagen loss is never harmless. It quietly reshapes how you move, how you heal, and how you live. When collagen crumbles, joints grind and stiffen. Bones weaken, small injuries linger instead of healing. Swelling warms your knees, and even a short walk feels like an uphill climb. Dr. Sanjay Gupta calls collagen the scaffolding of aging. Without it, the body's framework weakens, but with the right nutrients, that scaffolding can be rebuilt. It's not just pain in the knees. It's the fear of falling, it's saying no to stairs. It's giving up outings you once loved. But imagine the relief of steady legs carrying you forward again, without hesitation. Would stronger legs change your daily confidence? Collagen loss feels frightening, joints stiffen, swelling rises, confidence slips. But here's the hope, collagen can be rebuilt. Not with expensive pills or powders, but with foods your body already trusts. Fish, eggs, citrus, bone broth, and berries provide the amino acids, vitamin C, and antioxidants that rebuild collagen naturally, restoring the cushion to your joints. Dr. Sanjay Gupta reminds us, the kitchen is often the first pharmacy. And when it comes to collagen, the right foods can quiet swelling, repair tissue, and rebuild strength from the inside out. Imagine waking and placing your feet on the floor without wincing. Imagine stairs that feel steady, not scary. Each bite of the right food is more than nourishment, it's a quiet step back toward freedom. Do you believe food can heal faster than pills? When collagen thins, joints grind and ache. Bone broth is one of the purest ways to send collagen straight back into your joints. Simmered bones release gelatin, a natural form of collagen. Each warm sip carries amino acids like glycine and proline, the very building blocks your body uses to rebuild cartilage, restore cushion, and ease swelling. Dr. Sanjay Gupta has often explained, bone broth acts like fuel for the body's scaffolding, restoring what time quietly takes away. Think of it as comfort in a cup, rich aroma, gentle warmth, and quiet healing with every sip. The warmth soothes, the collagen rebuilds, and over time, your legs and joints regain the steady support they've been missing. Have you ever tried sipping bone broth at night, or would this be new for you? Inflammation stiffens joints, swells knees, and makes mornings heavy. Salmon is more than heart healthy, it's one of the best foods to protect your joints. Its omega-3 south calm the fires of inflammation, soothing stiffness in knees and ankles. Its rich protein gives your body the raw material to rebuild collagen fibers, keeping joints cushion and legs strong. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often highlights omega-3 south as nature's anti-inflammatory, especially powerful for aging joints. Every buttery bite of salmon works quietly beneath the surface, easing swelling, restoring cushion, and helping your legs move the way they used to. Do you enjoy salmon regularly, Or has it been a while since you added it to your meals? When collagen runs low, joints stiffen, balance weakens, and legs grow unsteady. Eggs aren't just breakfast, they're collagen builders in disguise. The whites are rich in glycine and proline, the amino acids your body stitches together to form collagen. The yolks bring vitamin D and B12, protecting bones, nerves, and energy. Together, they rebuild cushion in your joints and steady strength in your legs. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, simple, whole foods like eggs offer more repair power than supplements alone. Every buttery bite gives your body what it's quietly missing, the building blocks to keep knees flexible, ankles strong, and your steps full of confidence. Do you enjoy your eggs boiled, scrambled, or sunny side up? Without vitamin C, collagen weakens and joints lose their cushion. Citrus fruits don't just refresh, they spark collagen to life. Vitamin C is the activator your body needs to knit collagen fibers together. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits strengthen cartilage, protect joints, and repair tiny tears in your legs. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often explains, without enough vitamin C, your body can't fully use the collagen proteins you eat. It's like trying to build a house without nails. A simple orange at breakfast or lemon water at night gives your joints the spark they need, so steps feel lighter, mornings feel brighter, and movement feels free again. Which citrus fruit do you enjoy most, oranges, lemons, or grapefruits? Without protection, collagen breaks down faster, swelling rises, stiffness grows. Berries aren't just sweet, they're your collagen shield. The antioxidants in blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries guard collagen fibers from daily damage. They fight oxidative stress, the silent spark that fuels swelling and stiffness. Every juicy bite helps joints stay younger, longer. Dr. Sanjay Gupta explains, antioxidants act like armor, protecting your tissues from wear and tear. And berries deliver them in every handful. A handful at breakfast, or an evening snack, doesn't just taste good, it strengthens your legs, keeps joints flexible, and makes mornings feel lighter. Do you usually enjoy your berries fresh, frozen, or not at all? When collagen thins, knees creak and steps stiffen. Chicken isn't just comfort food, it's collagen in its most natural form. The skin and cartilage of chicken are rich in collagen peptides, the very building blocks your joints use to repair cushion and restore flexibility. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, foods that mirror your body's own structure work best for repair. Poultry skin and cartilage do exactly that, feeding your joints what they need most. Even a simple meal of roast chicken, the crisp skin, the savory warmth, can do more than satisfy hunger. It quietly nourishes your knees, ankles, and hips, helping you stay steady and strong on your feet. Do you usually enjoy chicken with the skin, or do you remove it for health reasons? When collagen weakens, joints stiffen and legs feel heavy. Beans may look humble, but inside, they carry the minerals and protein your joints quietly crave. Rich in copper and zinc, beans help your body activate the enzymes that knit collagen fibers back together. Their steady protein repairs tissues, while their antioxidants calm the swelling in sore knees and ankles. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, plant foods like beans don't just fuel energy, they spark repair at the cellular level, giving collagen a real chance to rebuild. A simple bowl of beans can do more than fill you up. It can ease stiffness, fight swelling, and keep your legs steady for the walks and moments you love most. Which beans do you enjoy most, black beans, lentils, or chickpeas? When joints lose their cushion, every step can feel unsteady. Seeds and nuts may be small, but they carry big power to protect your joints. Almonds, walnuts, chia, and pumpkin seeds fuel collagen with healthy fats, zinc, and magnesium. These nutrients calm inflammation, steady blood sugar, and protect the cartilage that keeps your knees and ankles cushioned. Even one small handful daily can make a difference. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often highlights nuts and seeds as daily protectors, simple foods that quietly fight swelling and keep joints flexible. Every crunchy bite is more than a snack. It's comfort for stiff joints, strength for your steps, and confidence in every move you make. Do you snack on nuts or seeds during the day, or save them for the evening? Without the right habits, stiffness lingers and inflammation builds. Food builds the foundation, but your evening habits decide how well collagen repairs while you sleep. Light stretches ease stiffness, warm hydration delivers nutrients deep into your joints, and avoiding late sugar keeps swelling down. Together, these small steps turn collagen foods into overnight repair tools. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, healing happens in rest. The right foods, paired with calm evening habits, give your body the best chance to rebuild. Every gentle stretch, every sip of broth, every quiet choice is a signal to your body. It's safe to heal, it's time to restore, and tomorrow your steps can feel lighter. Which evening habit feels easiest for you? Stretching, sipping something warm, or skipping late sugar? Mistakes can quietly erase your hard work, keeping your joints stiff and aching when relief is within reach. Don't rely on sugar-loaded powders, they inflame instead of heal. Don't skip vitamin C, without it, collagen can't knit together. And don't chase a single miracle food. Your body thrives on balance, protein, vitamins, and minerals working side by side, in real food that tastes alive. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often warns, shortcuts rarely rebuild health. It's the steady mix of smart choices, not one magic fix, that restores strength. Your body doesn't ask for perfection, just steady care. Small, consistent choices add up to big relief. Be honest, have you ever reached for quick fixes like powders or pills instead of real food? Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, food is not just fuel, it's information for your body. The wrong foods send pain and swelling signals, the right foods tell your joints to repair. Every fresh bite, every warm sip sends messages. Collagen-rich foods tell your body, rebuild cushion, calm inflammation, restore strength. Over time, these signals stack. Healing happens one choice at a time. Your body is always listening. The question is, are you sending it messages of damage or messages of healing? Do you believe food can heal as powerfully as medicine? Collagen foods are powerful, but if mixed with the wrong conditions, they can cause setbacks instead of healing. That's why safety always comes first. If you're on arthritis medication, blood thinners, or have kidney or digestive concerns, check with your doctor before making big changes. Most seniors can enjoy these foods safely, but always start small, and make sure your plan fits your unique health story. Think of it this way, food is healing, but the safest healing is the one tailored to you. That way, every bite brings comfort, not worrying. Do you take daily medicines your doctor should review before trying new foods? Progress doesn't happen overnight, but it happens faster than you think. In the first week, swelling often begins to ease. By the second, your steps grow lighter and steadier. By the third, joints can move with less pain, more comfort, and more freedom. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often explains, small wins stack quickly. When you feed your body what it needs, relief doesn't take months, it begins in weeks. Shoes fit easier, stairs no longer feel like a mountain. And each step forward restores not just strength, but confidence. Which change would mean the most to you? Less swelling, lighter steps, or easier mornings? Your joints can rebuild, your swelling can ease. Hope is never gone. Dr. Sanjay Gupta often reminds us, the smallest foods can create the biggest changes for your health. One bowl, one habit, one choice at a time. That's how you protect your steps, your freedom, and your joy. And remember, you're not walking this path alone. Stay strong, stay healthy. Subscribe and join Senior Club, because your best steps can still begin tonight. In our next video, we'll uncover the one everyday snack, crunchy, familiar, even called healthy, that may quietly destroy your joints. Don't miss it. One wrong bite can undo weeks of progress, and your legs, your steps, and your freedom deserve protection. As Dr. Sanjay Gupta often warns, the wrong foods can undo the right ones.